5 is Anycubic Photon Mono X 6 Burmese CHOTS Resin 3D Printer. Unleash your creativity with the Anycubic Photon Mono X 6 Burmese CHOTS, a masterpiece in the world of 3D printing. Imagine a 9.1-inch 6K screen, where each pixel dances with unparalleled clarity at an enchanting 5760 by 3600 HD resolution. With a jaw-dropping contrast ratio of 380:1, your creations pop to life in a symphony of vividness. Embrace perfection with the upgraded LighTurbo Matrix light source, wizardry that banishes optical imperfections and grid lines. Speed meets brilliance as the printing tempo reaches a heart-pounding 60 mm/hour, accelerating your dreams into tangible form. Stability is paramount, and the dual linear Z-axis rail coupled with POM anti-backlash nuts orchestrates a ballet of micron-level precision. Prepare to embark on a grand voyage of creativity with expansive printing dimensions of 195.84 by 122.4 by 200 mm and an awe-inspiring max printing volume of 4.76 L. This printer's compatibility embraces your visions, turning your intricate characters and designs into reality. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a curious enthusiast, the Anycubic Photon Mono X 6 Burmese CHOTS invites you to push the boundaries of your imagination. If you like this 3D printer, then be sure to check out the link in the description box to purchase it. That's all from us in today's video about the top 5 best printers for detailed characters. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!